Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicwave.com. Sorry, I was really busy doing something. That's why I didn't make any video for the whole week and didn't even send any chart to my subscriber, to be honest with you, because in the last webinar I explained, mentioned that I was working on an EA, trying to make an expert advisor for my strategy, Magic Wave, and the problem was that I didn't know the language, MQL4, and then didn't have enough time to learn. So in the past, I tried a couple other people, try to get it done by somebody else, and you know what the result is. They all took off with my idea, so don't want to trust anymore anybody, and want to try to do my own. So I started learning that language little by little, and this last week I was able to start making some codes which were actually working. So I still have to go a long way, but yeah, something I was able to make something. I still need to put some stop loss and trailing stops in the system, in these EAs, but they're working fine. Opening order and closing with this, with the stop loss and the target. But one more thing that I need to like this one. It's on 1 minute. I name it EF for pound yen. 1 minute G.Samdani. Why 1 minute? Why pound yen? Because every pair different moves differently, and with a little bit of setting different, you have the complete different results. So basically, if someone tells you that, oh yeah, 1 year you buy it and you'll be a millionaire, that's wrong. Nothing is gonna happen because on one pair it may work, on the other one is gonna eat your, you know, you finish your account. Pound yen moves fast, and when it moves 30, 40, 50 pip easy in one direction. Even on a 1 minute chart, you can catch that move. Other pairs, their range is too much. They wobble. 30 pips here, and then 35 here, 40 there. So if you put your target 50 pips there, you're never gonna get it. You will be hitting your stop loss all the time. So this one I had the stop loss 20 pips and the target 50 pips. Okay. So let me run it in front of you and you see the result yourself. It's still not perfect. I'm still working on it. A couple of more weeks. The reason I'm doing it is that I have a lot of subscribers now, and so to send them the ideas, I'm blocked myself. I'm like I have to be at the computers all the time, which I don't like. I mean, I like to, go fishing, enjoy, but I have now, obligation to sit and send these setups to the people. So the reason that's one of the reasons that I want to make this one because I can just open an account, install this EA. That's it. Everybody makes money, pips, and I can do my things with my free time. All right, so let's see how this one is gonna as it's coming along, and then like I said, it's still not perfect. I'm making it's gonna be a big thing. I'm still gonna do a lot of filtering and everything, and make a lot of different codes, and install probably a trailing stop kind of thing to move SL to BE at 20 pips. So let's run this one, this 1 minute pound yen, and date is last week. Let's try this last week from May 26th to May 31st. Okay. Mode, I'm gonna run it slow and then make it fast later on. So the fast is too fast, but I can still show you the trades. You can just see the report after it runs. Expert properties, I'm not gonna touch that because this is the secret. All the settings are here. Okay, so let's start and see what happens. All right, 1, 2, 3, boom. Start running, and you're gonna see trades open and close as it goes along. Um, it's going to take a long time, but what I just want to show you after a couple of trades open, then I'll make it the speed the fastest, and it will be finishing within seconds. Then we see the report. So this is how it is working. This is slow, but I don't care. I have all the time. Like I said, I've been making this last whole week, and 3 days in a row I didn't sleep. Believe me or not, day, night, and then day. I didn't sleep. I was working on it. This is how I get when I really want to do something. and success is there already, and it will be more much better than this one, believe me or not. Okay, why is this? I probably did a very slow setting here. Let me move a little bit more. See, oh man, maybe a little more. Oops. See, now this is the fastest speed. See this trades opening closing, and it is all done. Unfortunately, that's the only way you can see that, because the other way is going to take too long. So these are the trades. See, this is how it is. It took a short here, and you see this line, and the blue line would be the long, and the red line would be short. So see, this is a short trade was taken there, and finally somewhere there, where, man, that was a long one, long ranging, huh? And it was taken out here. So that's 50 pip. So this is it. I mean, if it's see the long one taken here, and it is close here, 50. Then again taken this one here. See, that's what I'm talking about. This is not the right candle actually. Okay, the candle we need, closing outside the wave, it's not. So I still need to make the code for this. I made the code already to get into the wave, but not coming out. So, but it's still, it's nice, taking a little risk. Then again, this one is open here. So this one was bullish, but it's in the middle. See that I made the code that the price comes inside the wave, below this upper line, and above this lower line. Okay, so it's taking the trades within the wave, not outside. I'll fix that, and eventually we'll have more trades. And see, this one is a loser. See, it took it from here, a short, and look at it. It's a completely wrong candle. That's what it is. Short should be here. It will be 50 pip easy. So this candle, when the price went up, the bottom indicator went in line, and it took it. And on a bullish candle, which was above the wave, but it's still, you know what I'm saying? It's like it took a loss here, and then again this loss here, 20 pips, right? And then boom, this is this candle. See that? It took it nice and clean, 50 pip profit. So these are the small trades, it's like loss profit, loss profit. Now look at the result. First I'll show you the graph. This is the graph. How beautiful it is. These are the results. All the shorts, buy, sell, buy, sell. This is a profit, 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 so good trades, right? And then you see the 1990, this 20 pips. I don't know how they calculate it, but I have 50 profit and 20 SL. So it's 1991 is the 20 SL loss, and then 49.77 is this 50 target. Okay, so loss, profits all together. Report. Look at this. I took gross profit is 687, and gross loss is 318. So basically, the total pippage it gave you within a week is 369 pips. Okay, that's the result. The report is in front of you. Um, anyway, so this is what it is. Okay, here is his deposit 10,000. 369, 369 pips here. Where's the balance? I don't know. It shows. Anyway, so that's what it is. So within a week, this EA produced 369 pip. This is a short. See, took a nice short here for 50 pip. This is a loss. The blue line going down is a loss because it's supposed to go up. That's a long. But who cares? See, a lot of them still you're not taking. See, we were inside this trade, so we couldn't take this one. So I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna fix that too. But we look at it, how wrong it's taking. Even doing this wrong is perfect, right? This trade is taken here, a short. Okay, fine. The candle was bearish candle, but it was above the wave. It's supposed to be like something like this. It should take from here, not even here. This is not the my setup. This is my setup. But if it would have taken this one, probably get knocked out here, right? But that one, I have to fix this somehow. That takes this one. This is the proper setup, perfect setup, and it would be a nice, from here to there, anywhere 50 beautiful. But anyway, as long as it's making something, it took a long here, which is supposedly this candle, but it took a candle before, which was within the wave. But so far, as long as it took the profit. But again, once I fix it, imagine what's gonna do. Okay, it should be this candle, not this one. This one hasn't closed above the wave. This one did, but it read. I think it probably read earlier something or some mistake in my code. So I'll fix it. So this one was the entry, this one was the entry, but anyway, entry was there, took the 50 pip out of the market. Here, the short one was nice. Okay, I will say if it took this candle was wrong, this one also wrong, this one was the nice one. So this is the problem that I need to fix. But hey, the EA is closed, right? Took a short here, 50, took a loss to the upside because it's completely it should not be taking this. Short only will be it should be taking with the bearish candle closing below the wave, and that's why I'm having losses. So I'm gonna try to avoid these losses, and then you can imagine what's gonna happen to this 369. Maybe end up 500-600 pips a week. God knows. This is by the way, Friday is not included in this because I checked it earlier and the data was not covered somehow. I don't know. But even though the date says the whole week from 5:26 to 5:31, and the results are in front of you. Okay, so if I'm not doing anything, see that these are the losses. See, this one was the loss, then loss, this loss. So that's 60 pip, and then one big profit covers that. Uh, Two losses, three losses, doesn't matter. But then you have, let's say, three losses is 60 pips, but two winners, 100 pips. So you got 40 up there, right there. See, we got a couple of losses and then big winner here, 250. That covers it up. I may, after fixing the problem, see this long, the 50 was short, was winner, and this long winner. So that's right there is 100 pips in your pocket, right? This one is taken. This is not the proper candle. The proper candle was this or this, right? And not only that, I'm going to fix it somehow that it takes at least two trades in the same direction, while the one is right now it's just the one trade at a time. So let's say if this trade was in the going, and but you have a nice entry here for a 50 pip too, because if it would have taken this one, it would probably close somewhere here, easy for the 50, another 50 pips. So I will, try to make the code to see if I can have not hedging, not long or short at the same time, but too long at least. If one is going and then you find another entry, it opens another trade and then close both for a good. If there is a good move, why not take advantage of it? So I'm still learning the language, trying to make codes, making a lot of mistakes. Like I said, 3 days in a row I didn't sleep, just was trying to make codes and read how to make start function and then call the functions and making the order. And now I'm learning on the modify the order for stop loss, trailing stop kind of thing. So how you modify and make the codes for that, very difficult, but I'll do it one day. Okay. All right. So this is what it is. This is what I'm up to, and just pray for me. If I'm successful, I'll open an account and I'll invite everyone, whoever wants to connect it and make this just one pair in 1 week, 369 pips. If we have several pairs, hook up this EA. Imagine what we can do. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.